Hello class. I wanted to just quickly send you a video so that you could see how tonight's class is going to go. So what you're going to be doing is you're going to be logging on to the Zoom link that I sent you in the last announcement. And when it's your turn to share your presentation, you are going to go down to this button here where it says Share Screen. And that is where you will click to share your screen. And then I have some different options in terms because I have another monitor here, but you'll likely just click on your own screen because that's where your PowerPoint will be. You'll click share and then the entire class will be able to see your screen. Make sure that your tabs up at the top are cleared because that can be a little bit distracting if there are other things if you happen to be online that people can see because they'll be able to see everything that you can see on your screen when you do a screen share. You will launch your PowerPoint before you share your screen just to make things a little bit easier. And then you'll be able to talk. We'll see the pictures of everyone on the side. And we'll be able to also look at your screen while you go through your presentation. So I'm really looking forward to seeing everybody and seeing everyone's presentations and just being able to see your faces. So I will see you this evening at 5 o'clock.